Hi, this is Jason. Today I'm going to walk you through our chat template. This is a very simple experiment. All you're doing is creating a chat room that can host any number of people. Let me just walk you through the example. If I wanted to participate as one person, I can click launch on the demo, say hi, it's me, send, or press the enter button. Great, that chat works. I can show you what it looks like for two people. Click on subject 2, open up a separate tab. Say hi, I am number 2. Enter. Shows up over here, player 1. Hi, I'm number 1. And again, this chat room supports any number of participants that you're able to get into your study. Let me quickly show you how to edit the chat. So there are no variables here. It's just a short bit of code. There's one function called initialize chat that as long as you call initialize chat, your chat room will start up and work. You just need to make sure that you have the right right elements here. So having a chat conversation element that is where the text ends up, and a chat input and a chat send button div are all necessary for making this work. But as long as you have those three pieces, this works. So if you want to use this chat template for your experiment, all you need to do is call this initialize chat function and make sure you have these 12 lines of code in your study where they're supposed to uh, show up. All right, thank you. If you have any questions, please let us know. Email us at support@volunteerscience.com. Thank you.